Hi guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about this new device, which is a bicycle alarm. This is good for somebody who wants to protect their bike from thieves. So you can just connect it to your bike and program it, and once it gets, like, somebody gets to it trying to rob it and nick it, it'll go off, the alarm goes off, and you will hear the really loud siren, and you can rescue your bike. So as you can see here, this device comes like this. Here you plug a 9-volt battery. It comes in this box like this, and this is how you install it on your bike. You can choose any color you prefer: black, yellow, red, green and purple. And it comes with the instruction guide. So first thing, I'm gonna plug the battery, power supply, and go with you through some features and how to program it and how to use it. First thing, I'm gonna go show you some theory, and after that I'm going to go out and show you how to install it on your bike and how to use it. So after connecting the battery, the 9-volt battery, as you can see here, there's A, B, C. So the default code for that will be ABCA, and you can program, the alarm. You can put a new code, so when you get robbed, your bike get robbed, the alarm goes off, and the only one who can disalarm it is the user. So I'll show you all that. Some of its features, it adopts microcomputer technique. It's got, like, you can choose sensitivity that you like. If you want it high, if you want it middle, if you want it lower. It's got lower power consumption, so it allows the battery to have a long life, and it's really easy to install. Once you install it, that's it. You can install it in 5 minutes. So to set the alarm up, first thing I need to press B, long press for 3 seconds. When you hear this D, that means that it's correct. The setting is going alright. When you hear long D, that means that's not correct. So now the alarm is set up. So if I move this now, if I shake it, that means somebody's taking my bike. It goes up. To disalarm it, I need to put the out code, which is A, B, C, A, and you hear that did it, and it's not. If it's not correct, you will hear a long D. I'm gonna show you now. I'm gonna put a wrong code. So press it for 3 seconds. So moving it. That's the wrong one. But if I put the right code, See, that's correct one. So now if I need to change the alarm and disalarm code, I need to go and press A and hold it for 3 seconds. So I need to put the old code, which is ABCA, and after that quickly I need to put the new code. If I hear just D like that, D, that means our process is correct. If I hear a long D like beep, long beep, that means it's not correct. I need to do it again. So let's go and try it. First thing, I need to press for 3 seconds and put the old one, a new one. See, it's correct. When you hear that did it, that means correct. If you hear a long beep, beep, that means it's wrong. So now let's try, and let's try our alarm. I need to set it up, so I need to press B for 3 seconds. So our device is alarmed now. So if I move it always after 5 seconds, like that, it goes off, the alarm goes off. To disalarm it, I need to put the new code, BACA. That's correct. So after 5 seconds now, try to move it, nothing. So let's try it again with the wrong code. To disalarm it with the wrong code, so I need to press B 3 seconds and leave it after 5 seconds. Move it, it goes off now. So if I put a wrong code, like that, after 5 seconds it gives me off. That's wrong code. So if I move it, it keeps remain beeping. If I put the right code, BACA, that's correct. Let's try after 5 seconds. That's the correct code. So now I'm going to show you how to set up like the sensitivity of the device, the alarm. So what you need to do is press C for 3 seconds and hold it for 3 seconds, and when you hear D once, like beep, beep once, like beeping once, that means you program it on high sensitivity. If you hear it and do it again, and if you hear it twice, like beep beep, that means it's set up on the middle sensitivity. And if you hear that beep 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 3 times, that means it's programmed on the sensitivity will be lower. I need to press now to show you now how it works to program the sensitivity. So press it and hold, press it. A bit only once, that means it's high sensitivity. Let's try again. 3 seconds holding it. Twice now, that means it's middle sensitivity. Again, 3 seconds. 3 times now, that means lower sensitivity.